Now we come to example number 8, constructing data set from known averages. For example, we have 5 numbers A, B, C, D, E, and arranged in ascending order. And therefore we can just write down A, B, C, D, and E. And since the mean is 5 and the median is 6, so it is very obvious that the median, the number at the middle, is 6. So C will be 6. And the mode is 8. So we should have at least 2 number 8. And since these numbers are in ascending order, so D and E will most probably be 8. But you may ask, why don't we have 3x? Why don't we have 3x? You can just imagine. If we have 3x, then the median will never become 6 because we only have 5 numbers. So we don't have 3x, we have only 2. And now the remaining part of the problem will be, since the mean is 6, therefore, that's right, the mean is 5. Therefore, the total sum of the numbers will be 5 times 5, we have 25. And now we just know that CDE is 6, 8, and 8 respectively. So these numbers can be summed up to 16, we have 22. And we can now subtract these two numbers. So 25 minus 22, we have 3. And we can easily find out that the sum of A and B will be 3. So A can be 1 or B can be 2. But again, you may ask, why not we have 0, 3? Why not we have 0, 3? A is 0 and B is 3. But if A is 0, then this will violate or contradict with the problem that they are positive integers. So for positive integers, we don't have 0. 0 is 0. 0 is not a positive number, nor is it a negative number. So we don't have 0 and 3. And now we can just cross out this. We have only 1 and 2. Therefore, the 5 numbers will be, or the 5 integers actually, are 1, 2, 6, 8, and 8. And this is our final answer. Okay, example 9. The results of 6 trial flows of a shot put athlete in the preliminary and final are recorded as follows. These are the results in meter. Calculate the mean, median, and the mode of the above data. So for part A, mean, add up all these numbers, including the 0. And most probably, 0 represents that trial is a failure. So we have a 0 result. And then we divided this by 6. And therefore, by using our calculator, the answer is 10.4 meters. And the median will be the number at the middle. Therefore, we can arrange the number in ascending order first. We have 0, 0, 12.1, that's right, 11.4, 12.1, 12.3, 13.3, 13.3. And so the number at the middle will be between the third and the fourth one. So this will be 12.1 plus 12.3 and then divided by 2, which gives us 12.2 meters. And for mole, which is the data with the highest frequency, since we have 13.3, so this will be 13.3 meters. And now we come to part B, which average is the most suitable to represent the performance of that data in the competition, and why. And therefore we have to inspect the mean, median, and the mode. And for the mean, we have 10.4. And actually, this is rather small because if you look at the data, these are all about from 12 to 13, some are 11 to 12. And for 10.4, this is rather low as compared with these data. Why? Because we have a extreme value 0 here. Since one result is 0. So this extreme value has the side effect of decreasing the mean, decreasing the actual mean. And for mode, 13.3 meters. Actually, 13.3 is the highest or the best result of this F-read. So this is not rather representative because in normal situations, he or she should have 11 or 12 something as his result. So this is another extreme, not quite suitable. And for the median, this is actually the best average because it is not easily affected by extreme values. And therefore we can write it down. The median is the most suitable because it is not affected by extreme values. Okay, example number 10. And Mr. Chen and Ms. Lee are insurance agents. They are employed by the same company in the same position. And the following show their incomes in the last 6 months, correct to the nearest $100. And so we have to observe the data from this table and to determine whether mean, median, or mode is the most suitable average to compare their income in the last 6 months and explain your answer. So the most obvious thing is to observe the extreme data. Since means the mean is easily affected by extreme data. And if we can locate like this one, these extreme values, then the mean is absolutely not suitable. And therefore we have to rely on the median. But you may ask, why not use the mode, the number with the highest frequency? We can find the mode here. And for example, we have $11400 for Mr. Chen. But however, for Ms. Lee, we cannot find any mode here. She doesn't have two values or a monthly salary with two frequencies. So the mode does not work because you can't find any mode for Ms. Lee. And now we simply rearrange the salary of Mr. Chen and Ms. Lee in descending order. And therefore we have 114, 114, 120, 124, 127, 433. And for Ms. Lee, we have 0. And 143, 153, 154, 157, and 161. So we have a set of 6 pieces of data for each person. So the number at the middle will be between the third and the fourth value. Therefore, the median for Mr. Chen is $12200. This is Mr. Chen. And for Ms. Lee, the value will be $15350. This is Ms. Lee. And therefore Mr. Chen has a higher salary than Ms. Lee. And Ms. Lee has a higher value. They missed the check, $15350. And again, we have to explain our answer. The mean is easily affected by extreme values, so we don't use it. And the mode does not exist for Miss Lee's salaries.